How to add text to video in Adobe Express. So first, go to your account, and then for example, this is your video. So I'll just play it for a bit. And then in order for you to add a text, you can just click on the text option here at the left side, and then you can just click on add your text, and then there you go. Now you can just type in your text here. Okay, now let's just change the color so we can see the text. There you go. And let's just make it black, and then let's add an effect like a lift or something like this. Okay, now you can see your text here on your video. You can just make it smaller, or you can just make it bigger like that, and now when you play your video, you can see a text. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.